Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram username not available. To know how to fix Instagram username not available, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. Then in this page you will go to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage like this, and here in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data, and after all that you can update your application so that you can know how to fix Instagram username not available. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.